Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to disable silent mode on iPhone. So, guys, if you have a problem where you want to disable the silent mode on iPhone, the first one is using the physical button on your phone. So, guys, beside your phone on the volume button, if you switch the button on the side of your phone, it will look something like this. As you can see, it is currently on silent mode, and if I want to disable it, the silent mode, I could just simply put the button on the screen side on me, and I should be able to have the silent mode disabled. Another option is you can just simply go to the top and just simply scroll down until you see here the control center. Now you should be able to see here on the left side of focus. So you can just simply hold this one and you should be able to have the do not disturb over here. So guys, if you have this turned off, you can just simply tap on it to turn it off. And now another one is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now over here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for the sounds and haptics. Now over here, you could just simply adjust the volume in to your phone. And from here, you just simply turn up the music to fix the issue. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.